Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this dusk to dawn outdoor walls light for viewing purposes, and I think they are really nice. As you can see, it's a set of two um, wall lights that each has two light bulbs, which I think it's great. It's gonna give an amazing light. We have in here the instructions, okay, how to install and everything, and this in here is the menu. Let me take them out of the box. Here they are. As you can see, they both come really well protected with foam. These plastic bags everywhere. These other kind of plastic foam and plastic wrap. Okay, so I think it's excellent. They are really well protected. That's a nice thing. Okay, let's take everything that comes inside of it, and it comes also really well protected. And is a base. Okay, it uses these little kind of light bulbs. That also comes included. Inside of each lamp comes a pair of it. It's the E12 base. And these are the light bulbs that comes included, okay? To just place them in here, just like that. And it has a really interesting kind of like candle design that I think it's nice. So let's go ahead and, well, take everything out, install them, and let's see how it looks both on the day and on the night. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, the installation process is actually really easy. You just have to place the base into the lamps and then install them to the proper wiring. It's really easy, and overall I like them a lot because they have a dusk to dawn sensor, so you don't have to worry about leaving them on. They can stay on during the day and the proper light will be turned off, which I think they are excellent. And overall they look really nice. I end up placing these neutral white light bulbs, and I think they look amazing. They have a really nice light, and I like them a lot, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.